Welcome to LIC class. Today we are going to see about OR to OR ladder digital to analog converter. So which it is designed to overcome the disadvantage in weighted resistor digital to analog converter. In weighted resistor digital to analog converter, according to the number of bits we have used, the number of resistors we will be using different types of different value of resistor in weighted resistor DAC. So the existence of those kind of resistor is a question mark. So and that is why we are going for R2R ladder DAC, in which we are using only two kind of resistor. One is R, another one is 2R. So if we are using 10 kilo ohm, then automatically 2R will be a 20 kilo ohm. So it will be the in the arrangement of ladder structure. That is why it is called as R2R ladder digital to analog converter. So here the main advantage is we are using only two value of resistors, and we can convert the digital input into analog value. So here we need to find out V naught. So to find out V naught, in order to find V naught, we have to find the equivalent resistance of this portion. To find out the equivalent resistance, you first consider these two resistors which are in parallel. We need to find equivalent resistance. So if the resistors are in parallel, we know the equation is R1 into R2 divided by the summation of R1 plus R2. So this is the formula to find out the equivalent resistance. So if you are calculating for this resistance for the resistor, you will get the 2R into 2R 4R squared divided by 4R. So and yes, if you are simplifying, then you will get as R. So the equivalent resistance will be R. So it will be replaced as R. Then this R and this R will be in parallel, so we can add, we will get 2R. So the whole part is replaced with resistor 2R. Then here we will get the 2R. So next we need to find out the equivalent resistance for this portion. Again it will be in parallel. So we will for finding equivalent resistance, you will get the same R. Then it will be replaced with R. This whole portion is replaced with R. So if you keep on simplifying the circuit, finally you will get. So after simplifying the circuit, we will be getting like this. So you need to find out the equivalent resistance of these two resistors. If you find equivalent resistance R into, both are in parallel, so R into 2R divided by summation of those resistors 3R, we will get 2 by 3R. So equivalent resistance of this portion is 2 by 3R. So next we need to find voltage across the resistor. So in order to find the voltage across the resistor, so here it is minus VR, voltage minus VR. So in order to find the voltage across the resistor, so we need to find the voltage across these resistors. So 2 by 3R divided by the total resistor 2R plus 2 by 3R, 2R plus 2 by 3R, 2 by 3R into input voltage. Input voltage is minus VR. Input voltage is minus VR. So if you are simplifying this above equation, we will get minus, finally we will get minus VR by 4, minus VR by 4. So this is the node voltage will be we have found the here at this point, that is minus VR. So we need to find out the output voltage V0. This is an inverting amplifier. We know the inverting amplifier the gain is minus RF by R1, and if in order to find the output voltage, gain into output input voltage minus VR. So we know that RF is minus into minus, we will get plus. So minus RF is 2R, then R1 is R, so 2R by R is equal to R. This is R into VR. So we have found VR is VR by 4. Sorry, here RF is 2, we are using 20 kilo ohm, it is 2R, and then R1 is R, 2R by R is, we will getting 2. So 2 will be getting 2 into VR by 4, then finally we will be getting VR by 2. This is the output equation V0. So VR is nothing but a full scale voltage, so we will be giving at the supply is VR, that is divided by 2. So this is equal to full scale. VR is nothing but V full scale voltage, V full scale divided by 2. So this is about R2R ladder DAC. Then and we have derived the output voltage, and we will see in the next class about analog to digital converter, different types of analog to digital converter. Thank you.